taken a sheet, cut it into half, and curl the corners. And now I'm going to show how you can create roses using this. Be very gentle with this paper. And I'm going to repeat the process again. Start from the corner and total spiral. Take the corner here. Can you see? This is the whole piece sheet, and from this corner, I am molding it. Hold it tight and apply gum at the bottom of the curl. And thing is to hold it tight and hold it for 30 seconds so that it holds and sticks. Now, otherwise, the whole thing will start coming out. Hold it tight. 30 seconds. And you have your one here already. And I repeat the same with the next one. Thank you. The simple way of making a paper rose to make a bouquet, etc. Thank you.